Across America, used car buyers are getting ambushed every single day, paying new car prices for cars that won't even survive 100,000 miles. Dealerships are unloading time bombs, finance companies are laughing, and buyers are left holding the repair bills like hostages. But here's the part they never expect. The most reliable, longest lasting cars in the entire US, the cars that can run forever, are sitting quietly in the used market under $20,000. And today on Bidding for Autos, we're not recommending them, we're ranking them, we're weaponizing data, and we're calling out the cars that have humiliated the entire industry by refusing to die. These aren't cars, these are indestructible machines engineered for war. Let's get into the carnage. 10. Subaru Outback. The wagon that outlives winters and owners. The Outback isn't a car, it's a snow-plowing, dirt-eating survival unit. 96% still alive after 15 years. Most SUVs can't survive 5. A 2.5-litre engine that casually strolls past 250,000 miles. A WD so strong it embarrasses half the trucks on the road. If you live where weather tries to kill you, the Outback politely kills a bag. 9. Lexus ES 350. German luxury killer. The ES isn't Camry with a suit, it's Camry with a sniper rifle aimed directly at BMW and Audi. 3.5-litre V6 that hits 350,000 miles without raising its voice. 63% lower repair rate than German luxury. Drives smoother at 200,000 miles than most cars do brand new. This is the car mechanics hate because it never shows up. 8. Honda CR-V. The family SUV that refuses to break up. This thing lasts longer than marriages, leases, and most careers. 2.2 million still registered on the road, engines running up to 300,000 to 350,000 miles, like it's nothing. Maintenance costs so low, it's basically stealing. If you want the SUV that ages slower than Keanu Reeves, you're looking at it. 7. Toyota RAV4. The compact SUV benchmark, period. The RAV4 isn't reliable. It's boringly, insultingly, frustratingly perfect. 42% of used ones listed have 150,000 plus miles, and dealers still overprice them. Yearly repair cost, $429, the price of a BMW logo replacement. If you want an SUV that gives you absolutely zero emotions because nothing ever goes wrong, RAV4 is your therapy. 6. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Mechanics call it the ghost, they never see it. It's the sports car that refuses to break, a slap in the face to every unreliable performance car ever built. 230,000, 260,000, 280,000 miles, still revving like it's auditioning for track day. Lightweight equals zero stress. Drivetrain so dependable, it's practically unfair. Every other sports car, please don't drive me hard. Miata, drive harder. 5. Toyota Prius. The hybrid cockroach of the auto world. People laugh at Prius owners. Prius owners laugh at everyone at the repair shop. Top 3 in long-term reliability for 15 straight years. Batteries lasting 150,000 to 200,000 plus miles. Taxi fleets pushing 500,000 miles without blinking. This isn't a car, it's permanent transportation. 4. Honda Civic. The 300,000 mile cockroach sedan. You can shoot at it, neglect it, abuse it, forget oil changes. And somehow it still starts in the morning. Engines hitting 280,000 to 320,000 miles routinely. Maintenance 36% cheaper than average. One of the most stolen cars in America because thieves know what lasts. If you want a car that survives everything except your ex, it's the Civic. 3. Honda Accord. The executive edition of indestructibility. Civic is durable. Accord is durable with a career. The 2.4-litre and 3.5-litre engines are unstoppable. Over 500,000 Accords running around with 200,000 plus miles. 15 years of top reliability rankings. If you want grown-up reliability with grown-up comfort, this is the final boss. 2. Toyota Corolla. The engine that outlives the economy. Corolla is the car that just works every single day. Lowest breakdown rate for 10 years straight. 350,000 to 400,000 mile engines. Insurance plus repairs equals cheapest in the USA. You don't own a Corolla, you inherit it. 1. Toyota Camry, the undisputed king, the car that simply refuses to die. If reliability were religion, Camry is God. 20% of all Camrys hit 250,000 miles, highest in the entire industry. Perfect Consumer Reports score for 16 years. Engine failure, 76% lower than Nissan transmission issues, 59% lower than Hyundai repair costs, 48% lower than Volkswagen taxi fleets. Run these things to 600,000 miles and only sell them because the seats wear out, not the engine. If you have $20,000 and buy anything else, you're volunteering for stress. These aren't good cars. These are weapons-grade reliability machines. The industry quietly fears the cars that outlive trends, recessions, and owners. If you want more data-backed brutality, hit subscribe. Because here on Bidding for Autos, we don't recommend cars. We expose the truth the industry wants dead.